Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find if your two numbers are equal. So you have to take two numbers and you have to enter their values in integers. I'm going to write this as well. See out, enter your number to see for the user. Now the first integer will go in A, and I'm going to write this again. Enter your second number. Now this will go in C in B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an if condition. If A is equals to B, meaning if they are same, it will show me C out your numbers are same. If they are not, else see out your numbers are not same. So the whole thing is just basically of the if condition. If it agrees with it, it will show me my numbers are same. If it does not, it will not. As you can see, I will enter my first number 7 and the second number. As you can see, they are same, so the program showed me that they are same. Now I'm going to change the second number. It is giving me an error. I'm going to try again. And the second number will be different. And as you can see, it is showing me your numbers are not the same. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.